Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. Docker is really popular nowadays, and this is not surprising since Docker enables you to easily run different programs on various platforms. However, sometimes you would like to start from scratch. That is, you would like to completely erase all containers, images and volumes on your Docker system. For example, if you're learning Docker and if you're experimenting with installing new images, creating containers and volumes, you would like to erase and start from scratch. So let's learn how to completely erase everything. That is, how to delete Docker containers, image and volumes. Okay, as you can see over here, I'm running Linux Ubuntu. To be more precise, my Linux Ubuntu version is 24.04. First of all, let's open a terminal. And let's resize this terminal. First, let's learn how to list all the containers and all images on your systems. To list all the containers, you need to type docker ps-a, and you can see the output over here. Now, since the font size in my terminal is relatively large, everything looks messy over here. So let's repeat this command. However, this time, let's redirect the output to a file called output.txt. And let's open that file. Should be in the home folder in my case. Let me now just do this. Here it is. Now let me zoom out and you can see nicely over here. You can see the first column, which is container ID. You can see the original image from which this container is started. You can see the command. You can see the status, you can see the ports and the names over here. What is interesting to observe over here that only a single container is running. Okay, let me close this and now let's learn how to list all the images running on your system. To list all the images, you need to run this. Okay, now again the output is messy, so let's redirect this output to a file, for example this file, and let's open this file such that we can see what's happening. So I can see the image, the original repository, the tags, which are very important, image ID when it's being created, and size. So I want to completely clean everything, and let's learn how to do that. Let's first close this and let's go over here. Here is one very important thing to remember. First, you need to erase all containers before erasing all images. Now, to delete containers, including its volumes, you need to run this command. So let's analyze and let's learn what this command is doing. This is the power of Linux terminal because you can do all sorts of things with a single command line. So what will happen over here? We're going to list the container IDs over here, and then we are going to pass to docker rm, which is a command for erasing, with these two parameters. So let's now run this and let's see what will happen. Bang. Let's verify that we erased everything. To do that, let's run this docker ps-a, and you can see no container ID, no image, no command. It's not creating status, ports, name. So containers are being successfully erased for our system. Good. Let's do the same thing for images. So to delete all images, you again need to run something like this. First of all, this command will list the image tags, and you can see it over here. And let's now run this command. Here it is. Let's copy it, let's paste it, and bang. And then we are erasing everything over here, and you can see how many things we are actually erasing. So let's now list all the images. Here they are. So no repository, no tag, image created, size. That is, everything is empty. Good. Finally, to make sure that everything is deleted, that is to remove all unused containers, volumes, networks and images, we need to type this. Watch out. This command is very powerful. It will prune everything on your system. If you press yes, let's see what will happen. This will remove all stop containers, all networks not used by the last one container, all anonymous volumes not used by at least one container, all images without at least one container associated to them, and all build cache. So this is very important. By doing this, you're going to empty a significant amount of space on your system, since you're also going to erase all build cache. And let's press Y and let's see what will happen. You can see what's being deleted, and you can see how much space is being reclaimed, around 3.7 gigabytes, which is really important. And let's now list everything. Let's again list all the containers. Let's list the images, and that's it. It's completely empty. Next, let's figure out more information about where Docker stores stuff. First of all, if you type this command, docker info, you should see everything about Docker. You can see how many containers are running, posts, stopped images, you can see the server version, etc. Now you can see additional paths, plugins, and all sorts of things. However, there is one very important folder, and that's the root directory. To get information, or better to say path, about the root directory, type this, and here it is. Okay, so let's try to navigate to this directory. First of all, let's run this, and then let's do this. Let's do cd, and let's copy this path over here. And let's see what's happening over here. Now, somewhere over here, there should be stuff, or once you install images and other stuff, they should be somehow located in this folder. And this is very important to know. For example, you can see volumes over here, you can see image, and you can see all sorts of things. So let's go to images, or image, and let's see what's happening over here. You have overlay here. However, let's go to containers, and let's see what's happening. It's completely empty. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. And before I conclude this video tutorial, I need to mention the following. I have a YouTube channel that has more than 33,000 subscribers and currently more than 940 videos. This YouTube channel contains a lot of different tutorials covering machine learning, control engineering, robotics, software engineering, tutorials related to Docker, C++, Python, Rust, C programming, as well as MATLAB and other programming languages. Now, the idea over here is to document everything what I'm doing and to create video tutorials for people such that they can quickly master different topics. So if you want, you can also check out different videos over here. There are a lot of playlists covering different topics. You can see them over here, and you can also subscribe if you want. Okay, that's all for today, and see you in the next video tutorial.